Okay guys, so what do I do first? Believe it or not, I use my Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray, but gotta go. We don't have time for this. We don't have time today. I got a couple of meetings and I want to look fresh. The devil's in the details. So I take my Fenty primer. I like it again because it's that moisture that we are going for, because we are not doing cake face, okay? We are not doing cake face at all. And I kind of use my hands a lot when I am rushing. Yeah, because we don't have time for the glam wham. And there we have it. And this, my loves, it's a BB cream. I never really go on with the foundation when I want to dash out. You just want to kind of cover little imperfections and get going because you don't have time. Again, I put it onto my fingers. I know it looks crazy, but it works for me because I gotta go. And I just rub it in. Yeah. And you're like, for me, I'm not sure about this. Yes, honey. Look at that. That's all you want. And that's what I do. I just rub that in and I'm yummy. Yes. Very, very quickly, I take my Estee Lauder. This is my double wear. This is SandleWood. I've been using it for years. I take a touch. It's not even that serious. That's all that I take, yeah? I take my beauty blender, Tiffany beauty blender. That's what I have right now. And I just go under because I just want to brighten up the eye. I'm off to a meeting and I want to look awake. So I just dab very, very quickly. And then I take a setting powder, not even a loose powder, take a setting powder and I just go over that and I set it right away. Yeah. You can set your other powder as well. And I just do it on my lids, my eyelids. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. A little bit on my forehead, my lips. It's a pressed powder. You can use any powder. Like I said, this is not about products. It's more about technique. And you just want to dab that in. And this is really good for those of you that don't wear foundation. And that's it. Dabber loops. This is all that I am doing. Okay. Then you take a brow pencil. This is called Rich Excellence, and I just trace out my brows very quickly. This is where majority of my 10 minutes goes in. It takes me about 3 minutes because once I have my brows, then I have framed my face. I take it light strokes. Light strokes. Remember, we are rushing. We do not have time today. So just take light strokes in front, trace your brow, and then I go a little bit upwards where it's thin. And voila, I have my brow. That's it. I fill that in. And we are good to go. We're going to the next one. Just do light strokes in front. You want it to look very natural. You don't have time to give it the whole red carpet treatment. So you just have to trace your brow and then always remember where you need to fill in. Mine is on top of the brow. It's very thinned out. So I always go up with the pencil, not too much. And then I join it at the end there. And we are good to go. Powwow. Once you got your brows, you're kind of sort of good. Okay, and then what I do is that I take my MAC. And this is a Correct and Concealer palette in dark. Voila. I go in and I don't take the lightest. I kind of take the medium and I just want to sharpen that brow because it cleans up my face. And I go in the middle kind of sort of. And that's it. And that will give you some kind of light. And then use your fingers just to sharpen it a little bit. And then you do the same on the other side. There you go. and you bring it down. And this is my to-go. Once I have to dash out the door for meetings and stuff, this is what I do, and it works every single time because you cover the basics. You want to open up your eyes, you want to open up your features without looking too, well, you don't have the time, that's the thing, you know, you don't have the time. Then we're going to take a Juvia's Place palette, the Magic palette. I'm going to go in with KRAFTY, and it is a very beautiful matte stone. That's what I can tell you, the color of stone. We're just going to go up, right into the brow bone, just to give it some light. I always go matte when I want to dash out the door. It's just easier for me, and I can build later on if I want to add makeup or whatever. But this looks really, really nice, and it's like I said, it's a matte, and that's it. Because when I'm rushing out the door, I just don't have time for the shadow. I don't have time for the transition, for the highlight, for the pop and the fizz. I don't have time for that. But if I do this, then I'm good. And it just works for me. And then you can just kind of sharpen it a little bit just to make sure that you have your brow just so. Again, use your fingers just to dab it all in, because like I said, you don't have the time. You don't have the time, honey. Now you're done. We're going to go in with a liquid liner. This is NYX, and we're just going to give it a quick liner for the simple reason that we are not using lashes. We're in a rush. We are in a rush, okay? So you just take your liner and you go. Try to have a steady hand, and this will just give you definition to the eyes. Join them together. And we're good. That's it. Then to open up the eye a little bit more, I use any kind of white pencil, beige pencil, tan pencil in the inner rim of the eye, just to open up the eye. So when we have mascara, your eyes look va-va-va-voom. Yeah, I do it in the middle. You don't have to take it all the way and look a little bit too extreme. So I just go in like so, and there you go. See? Bring it to your tear duct. That's all that you need. And then we're gonna have the Bad Girl Bang mascara just to open up those puppies. Voila. Quick, 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 quick. You don't have time today. See? Isn't this fab? We are not doing contour. We don't have time for that. We're gonna have blusher just to wake up the cheeks. Blotch, blotch, blotch. That's what we are doing. And it just brightens you up. That's it. And then lip gloss. And that's it, guys. This is your 10-minute, you're running out the door makeup tutorial. It is so easy. It works with everything because really there isn't any color. You can have a little bit of blush on your cheeks because it always makes you look youthful. The contour is to structure your face. You don't need that. This is all that you need. And you are good to go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. Let me know if you want me to do a lot of how-tos, because I think that's what we should start doing, as well as makeup tutorials. And yeah, that's it. Ula, do I look good?
Oh, yes.
Is it F.D.V approved?
Definitely.
See you soon. Love you. Bye.